What can we learn from Elsa? Let's see. I would like to say there was massive celebrations and champagne and all that good kind of groovy sexy stuff yesterday from episode 100, but there wasn't. It was editing and then finishing off and uploading. I feel very proud of having achieved 100 episodes. Well, I won't go into that now. I did enough kind of gushing yesterday and thanks. But again, thank you so much, you guys. So, what can we learn from Elsa? Well, there's probably two famous Elsas, really. This may be showing my age. There's Elsa the lion from Born Free. And of course, there's Queen Elsa.
Snow glows white on the mountain tonight.
I'm kind of referring to the second one as opposed to the lion, because I'm sure we could all learn a lot from a lion, although possibly mainly just hunting gazelles. I'm referring to Queen Elsa, sister of Anna, not Anna, but Queen Elsa. So she famously says, "Let it go."
Let it go, let it go.
And that is really the point of this episode. Let it go. It's very easy to get bent out of shape about things, wound up about things, really off about things without kind of realizing it. That stuff will completely you up. Really make your life properly It's easier said, I know, because if there's something wrong, it's almost probably human nature or natural to get annoyed and really whether that's somebody cutting you up in traffic or a work colleague doing something or annoying you or whatever it may be. It's very easy to kind of get all bent out of shape and annoyed and off and completely off with someone else or some situation. But ultimately, who is the person that suffers from that? It's you. Because that person, say they cut you up, or a work person or whoever kind of does something, you react to that. You can see where I'm going with this. E plus R equals O. You react to that and kind of get all annoyed and that sort of stuff. Then that person's gone and getting on with their life. But you're the one who's left kind of off and really in a really mood and like and then depending on what it is and when it is in the day, you potentially then carry that feeling, that bad kind of vibe throughout the rest of the day. So the only person who really suffers in that is you, which is ridiculous because that person has done something for whatever reason and that kind of doesn't matter. You've reacted to it in a negative way and then you take that negativity and that anger and that frustration with you. Now remember, you decide how you react. And don't give me any crap about, no, that person made me upset. And no. There's no physical way that somebody can make you feel something. And that sounds maybe a bit overly simplistic, but no. Your own brain makes the thoughts and decisions to kind of be happy, sad, angry, whatever. You yourself decide that based on events. So an event happens and you decide, okay, I like this event, I'm going to be happy. Now this is kind of not a super conscious decision, it's based on life experience and stuff like that, but it's quite almost subconscious, it happens. But we are deciding how we feel in a particular situation. It's not determined by somebody else. Now if somebody else does something and they've annoyed me. Now what they've done something and you're annoyed by that, but they haven't annoyed you. You've decided to be annoyed at that action. You decide how you react, and how you react then determines your sort of whole feelings for at least for the short term, if not the rest of the day, and maybe even longer. But why kind of think that someone else has that power? The only person who has power to make you think anything or make you feel anything is you. That's it. That's the reality of it. And I said I've banged on about this so many times, but E plus R equals O. The event's always going to happen. Always. You can't do anything about that. But how you react or respond to that event will determine the outcome, and the outcome being how you feel after, etc. And I can't emphasize that enough. That just think, when something happens, and this happened to me today, I was at some traffic lights, someone just wasn't going, and my initial kind of go was like, ah! I actually caught myself being like that, and it was like, hang on, whoa there, why am I doing this? Yeah, that person doesn't know I'm angry. Even if I hoot in the car, they might go, okay, well, then they're gone, and I don't know that person, they've gone. But I'm left kind of angry and off and in a mood. I kind of immediately just went, no, that's why am I doing this? Ridiculous. And my whole mood just changed. It was amazing how quickly I was going kind of annoyed by this stupid thing, but then because I caught myself and decided not to be, I wasn't, and it was fine and got on with the day, and that was it. But it was the fact that I consciously noticed it, and that's the thing. It probably takes some practice to do, to actually sort of be aware of how you're reacting to things, but just take that as a challenge. Kind of go forward now and think, okay, when anything happens, whether you're stuck in traffic or whatever it is, how you react is down to you. So there's no reason to be super off, angry, off, in a mood with anyone really at all. Now, obviously, if someone does something terrible to you, you're going to be angry, you're going to be annoyed, right? But the degree of that is really down to you, and that's where the whole sort of stoicism comes in. And I'm going to plug this book once again because I can't speak highly of it enough. It's The Obstacle Is the Way by Ryan Holiday. I've read it countless times. It's such an amazing book, and it's kind of, I suppose, almost introducing Stoic philosophy to the sort of modern world for people who perhaps wouldn't normally look at philosophy. So that's it for today. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, remember, as always, smash that like button till it's nice and blue, and subscribe if you haven't. I really do appreciate it, and hit the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading a new video. And for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.